How can you use one-handed mode in your OPPO device? So here we go. If you don't know how to do, then just watch the video. Um, so for that you have to scroll down your mobile, and after that you can see this one-hand mode. So in your device, if it's not showing one-handed mode, then what you have to do, and just click here, and after that now from here you have to choose your personality which you want. Okay, so just press and hold and just keep it into the place which you want. Okay, and after that just click in the edit. After clicking in it, now you can see this app log, it came here. Okay, so this how you have to click in one-handed mode. Now you can see this one-handed mode. Now you can see here. Okay, so guys, this is the video and thanks for watching it.